Hey everyone, Scott McGillivray here. Today we're talking about something super important. It's especially key if you're eyeing a manufactured home. I'm talking about the 433A Foundation Certificate. Think of it as a golden ticket. It can make your home buying journey so much smoother. Many folks, especially first-time buyers in places like California, might not know about it, but trust me, understanding the 433A is a game changer. It's about making smart choices for your future investment. This little piece of paper holds a lot of power, believe me. So, why is this certificate such a big deal? Well, it directly impacts your ability to get a good mortgage. Lenders look for it. It tells them your manufactured home is on a permanent foundation. This is a crucial detail for them. Without it, you might hit some serious roadblocks. You could face higher interest rates or even get denied for a loan. We don't want that, right? We want you to get the keys to your dream home. And we want you to do it the smart way, the profitable way. Let's unlock the potential of manufactured homes together. Alright, let's dive deeper into this 433A Foundation Certificate. What exactly is it? Think of it as an official document. It's issued by the California Department of Housing and Community Development, HCD, or it could be from a local government agency. This certificate formally records that your manufactured home is permanently fixed to an approved foundation system. It's not just sitting on blocks, it's anchored down. This is a big distinction, a very important one. It's the proof that your home is secure and stable. Now, why do mortgage lenders care so much about this piece of paper? It's all about risk and classification. When a manufactured home has a 433A, it's generally treated as real property. This is the same as a traditional site-built house. Lenders are much more comfortable financing real property. It's seen as a more stable, less risky investment for them. Without the 433A, the home might be considered personal property, like a vehicle. Let's talk about a really important transformation. The 433A Foundation Certificate does something magical. It changes how your manufactured home is legally seen. Before a 433A, a manufactured home is often titled like a vehicle. It's considered personal property by the law. This means it's more like owning a car or a boat than a traditional house. It might even have a DMV registration. This classification has big implications for financing and taxes. When you get that 433A, things change dramatically. The home is then legally converted to real property. This means it becomes part of the land it sits on. Just like a site-built house, it's recorded with the county recorder's office. The DMV registration is usually surrendered. This is a huge step. It's no longer a mobile asset, it's a fixed, permanent part of the real estate. This transformation is what lenders and appraisers want to see. It's a fundamental shift in legal status. Section 4. Unlocking big benefits. More money, more security with a 433A. So, we know the 433A is important. But what are the real, tangible benefits for you, the home buyer? Let's break them down. First and foremost, access to better financing. This is huge. With a 433A, you're more likely to qualify for FHA, Virginia, USDA, and conventional mortgage loans. These loans typically offer lower down payments. They also come with more competitive interest rates compared to chattel loans, which are loans for personal property. This means lower monthly payments and saving thousands over the life of your loan. That's more money in your pocket. Another major benefit is long-term investment protection. When your manufactured home is real property, it's generally easier to get title insurance. Title insurance protects you and the lender from claims against the property's ownership. This is a standard part of most real estate transactions. It gives you peace of mind. Furthermore, homes on permanent foundations tend to hold their value better. They often appreciate similarly to site-built homes in the same area. This means your home can be a growing asset, not a depreciating one. Section 5. No 433A. No problem. Your action plan to get one. Okay, so what happens if you find the perfect manufactured home but it doesn't have a 433A certificate? Don't panic. It's often possible to obtain one. It takes some work, but it can definitely be done. The first step is to determine if the home is even eligible. The home usually needs to be on an approved permanent foundation system. This system must meet specific engineering standards and local building codes. You might need a licensed contractor or engineer to inspect the existing foundation or install a new one. If the foundation is good to go or after it's been upgraded, the next step involves paperwork, lots of it. You'll typically need to gather documents about the home. This includes proof of ownership and possibly the original manufacturer's certificates. You'll also need plans and permits for the foundation system. Then, you'll apply to the relevant authority. This is usually the California Department of Housing and Community Development, or your local building department. They will review your application and documentation carefully. Section 6. Check it early. Why verifying the 433A first is a smart move. Listen up, because this is a crucial piece of advice. When you're starting your manufactured home search, verifying the 433A status should be one of your very first steps. Don't wait until you've fallen in love with a property. Don't wait until you're deep into the mortgage application process. Check for that 433A certificate right at the beginning. Ask the seller or their agent directly. Does this home have a recorded 433A foundation certificate? Get a clear yes or no. This simple question can save you so much time and potential heartache. Why the urgency? Because the presence or absence of a 433A fundamentally changes things. It impacts the types of loans you can get, as we've discussed. It affects the appraisal process. Appraisers value homes differently based on whether they are real property or personal property. If you make an offer assuming you can get a certain type of loan, and then find out there's no 433A, your financing could fall through. This can be incredibly frustrating, and could mean losing out on the home. Early verification prevents these surprises. If a home does have a 433A, ask for a copy of the recorded document. Section 7. Your homeownership dream, making it happen with the 433A. We've covered a lot of ground on the 433A foundation certificate. I hope you're feeling more knowledgeable and empowered. Buying a home, especially your first home, is a huge step. It's exciting, and for many, manufactured homes offer an affordable path to homeownership. Understanding the 433A is key to making that dream a reality, smoothly and successfully. It's about turning a potential hurdle into a stepping stone. It's about making smart, informed decisions that will benefit you for years to come. You can do this. Don't let the paperwork or the process intimidate you. Knowledge is power. Now that you understand what a 433A is, why it matters, and how to handle it, you're way ahead of the game. Remember, this certificate can unlock better loan terms. It can increase your home's value. It provides security for your investment. These are all fantastic reasons to pay close attention to it. Your diligence now will pay off massively down the road. Think of it as laying the groundwork for your financial future.